Once a hungry wolf was wandering here and there in search of prey. He happened to pass by a village. He happened to come across a fat dog there. Eventually, they became friends. The dog absorbed the miserable condition of the wolf. He looked so thin and starved. He asked him to join him in guarding the house of his master. He assured him that in return the master would feed him so well that he would become healthy and strong in a few days. The starving wolf accepted the offer and proceeded with the dog to his master's house. On the way, he caught sight of a mark around the neck of the dog. The wolf asked the dog about the mark. The dog tried to avoid the issue, however, on the insistence of the wolf, the dog had to reveal the truth. He said that it was the mark of a leather strap. He said that his master put a collar in his neck during daytime so that he might not wander about. When the wolf heard the name of collar, he was horror struck. He thanked the dog for his offer. He said that he could not sacrifice his freedom at the altar of food. He said goodbye to the dog and disappeared in the jungle in a flash.